Hey, it's Ron from MyHeroDesign.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about FlickGIF. So this is a new product from the creators of Explaindio. It has some really nice features, but we went ahead and created a file that allows it to do much more than what's on the tin. Alright, so everyone else is going to be talking about how you can add text to your GIF and how you can add an image. And that's fine. These are nice features. I find them unnecessary because I can just add my text and images in a better way in Explaindio or another video editor. So let's face it, it's not necessary. To me, it's not a selling point. For me, the selling point is that it does something that allows me to create square videos that loop seamlessly and just really look stunning. And you see a lot of sites using them. They still don't do it as well as we're doing, I don't think, because these actually never stop playing, really. They meaning that they don't loop where you can see any breakpoint. You can see here, you can watch this video all day and there's never a start and end point. So this is really powerful stuff and so easy to create as well. Here's another one. Here's another one. And here's another one. Alright, so if I saw this coming, going through my timeline, I'd be pretty impressed. I would take a look and it would grab my attention. And I love the square videos that I see the posts. They just look better than the HD ratio ones, dimension ones, I think, because they're just designed to take advantage of more real estate in the post. Alright, but you don't have to limit it to that. What if you want to throw them right on your website like we did here? You can throw them right on your website. They will play forever. They don't stop. And you can hyperlink them. Alright, and you also get a developer's license to the file that we're giving you so that you can use them for your clients at no extra charge. And now what I want to do is prove the point as to how easy it is to create. So I'm going to open up Explaindio, create a project. We'll call it Steve Jobs quote because that's what we're going to create. Create a new scene, add animation slide, and you're going to go right here to MHD square video, add, make sure don't sketch is checked. Alright, we're halfway there. You've loaded in the file. Let's go and customize it. Slide, customize, throw in my quote. Let's move down the other text item here. Maybe change the font. Alright, maybe add a little effects. Why not? Alright, and we can just move it around here. Now, while I built text into the slide, you can add images and text yourself in the timeline. We're using Explaindio. You can take full advantage. You don't have to worry about throwing in text on your GIF inside of the other software. You can do it all here, and it'll be a lot easier in the long run and look better. So that's my tip to you. And now that we have that, I'm going to add my video. And we're already almost done here. Now, those of you that know us know that we go the extra mile and we give you an overlay so that you can create color overlays very easily. You can change the border color. Alright, I'm not going to go into crazy detail here, but I do want to show you that the slide is going to play pretty short. So if you want to extend it, just go to the SWF tab, extend it as long as you need. I'm going to do this one around 100, I think. And it's a little red, white, and blue kind of thing. I can also just bring this back, or I can turn it off, but I need to have something to make that text a little more legible. So I'm just going to get rid of some of the, make it more transparent like that. And again, I can futz with it all day, but for the purpose of this video, this is all you need to do. This is, amazing. It's already better than what most people are doing online. Let's take it to the next level and create a video. I'm going to call it Steve Jobs. And we'll let that render, and it should be very quick. I'm going to get ready in FlickGIF. I'm going to open a video. And I'm just going to wait for this video here called Steve Jobs to finish rendering. Should be done in 10 seconds or less. Yep, we're done. So I can open that video. Now let me show you how quick and easy this is. Alright, first I'm just going to find some good points here, and I'm going to turn on the bouncing option. So you can see it's going to bounce back and play backwards, and then it's going to go forwards. So I can even go back here. So, it might just take a little finessing, but we're already done. I'm liking how that looks. And don't worry about the graininess here. This is just in the software, and I'm also on a huge Retina iMac. So this is not going to look great in the software, but don't worry about it. The quality of the finished video is great. I'm going to lock this. I'm going to ignore all of this. I'm just going to click here on the scissor, 1, and that's it. Export video. All the settings are good. I'm going to click export and watch how quickly this is done. Alright, my video is ready. Let's have some fun. Let's go to Facebook and post it. Let's go from start to finish as if this is a real thing. Here's my finished video. I'm going to upload that. Let's say something. Alright, we'll publish. And here it is. You'll notice that it loops seamlessly. Remember, we're using that built-in bounce feature that FlickGIF has, and we're also using the ability to crop it as a square. So we gave you the slide that helps you do it, and then FlickGIF takes care of the rest, and you'll be able to create really amazing, captivating posts like that you can use in social media to great effect. And you can also use them on your website as well. Don't overload them, don't go nuts, but we've got 4 playing here, and you can hyperlink them. Alright, you can export the GIF files. I would recommend making them a little smaller, maybe 300 or 400 in dimension. But with the MP4s, you can go HD or full HD, and as you can see, they play great in Facebook. And so I hope you take advantage of our bonus, take advantage of the low pricing of FlickGIF. And if you have any questions, email us at support@myherodesign.com, and enjoy the rest of your day.